This is the office where we're doing the skylights. I'll show you. I'll get up there. No, no. So we are finished up over here, of course. Got the 2 skylights in. Got it. Well, this is gonna be fun. Gotta lay out a skylight. See if we can make this work. And Andrew's gonna help me do this. Happy Tuesday. Back to work. Got some skylights to lay out and measure out in this little job. Going up the stairs. This is a little job we're doing where we gotta put some solar tubes in here into the stairway. One over here, one over there. Hello. We're doing some solar tubes in each of these rooms. We're doing some skylights in here. Got Andre doing some installation already. Alex framed the skylight openings here. Looking awesome, awesome. Got one skylight in. Had to remove shingles, of course, so we can tape all this, install it. Same thing here. Install it, do the flashing later. Installing the second one. We gotta line up the inside so the sheetrock runs into the grooves. This skylight is in. We are working on the second one, lining it up with the walls so it fits right flush with the wall, and the sheetrock is gonna go right in the groove. Got some tape.
Не вставай.
That's one way of falling. Don't step on this, you'll slip. Starting with our flashing on this one, and we got tape that we got to put up on the sides here so it goes up 3 inches and past the unit 6 inches. Just overlaps to get this detail. Everything's tight here. I actually went another extra step to put stretch tape on all the corners so we get a really good bond and good seal.
Okay. Подрезил класс. Все.
Tape it to the window unit and peel the bottom just like this, and it will stick to the roof. And you cut the corner. Overlap it.